Yeah.
Sophie, come running.
Kerry, you alright? Are you coming back here?
No, why?
I'm just wondering, that's all.
I thought we were going on it.
I don't know about that yet.
Well, I'm just sleeping at Ardis. So I said we can go down and help if you want.
I might go any minute now.
What?
Holy fuck! I can hear a siren, Kerry. Kerry, listen up. I don't know.
What's that noise? That's an airway siren.
What the fuck's happening?
Hang on. That's an airway siren.
I just heard it. It just started. Oh shit! 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 I'm scared. I'm kicking my pants now, Kerry. I'm kicking my pants now because there's no siren. Okay. Alright. It just started again. It's apocalypse! Run! Kerry?
Attention!
I fooled ya! It's on my speakers.